Hello, welcome to the very first session. Today we will set up a wireframe for our bar graph. Let's start with the title for the graph. A recommended way to design any application is to focus on the user experience, effectiveness of it, then move on to the theming system. Well, we have a title on top and summary at the bottom. Let's align it. Now let's add the X and Y axis, align it. I would also like to add a rough guide for the users to gauge the y-axis data. Moving on, at the bar, I like rounded heads. Let's copy a few more bars here. We can have a width of 11 and change the height randomly to mimic the change of sales volume per month. We are almost there. At the months along the x-axis, I guess we have to scale it up for the design scales to have a one-to-one mapping with development. Make the text center aligned. Let me also add the sales volume along the y-axis. The data is only indicative to help the developers. I will group it and align it properly. I like to have the content center aligned with respect to the frame so I can have equal spacing on the outer side during resizing. Cool, we have the wireframe ready. See you in the next class.